Hello everyone, this is sadout.gallery and my name is Sherry. And in this video I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous piece of artwork with real flowers and resin. At first we need to mix our resin with our favorite colors, and here I'm using white and pink powder colors, and you can use whatever color that you like. I pour them inside my mold and then I use a heat gun to mix the colors together, and then I add some lines from gold pigment that I have mixed in resin, and this part again is optional. Then after 1 or 2 hours that our resin it's a bit sticky, we start placing our flowers that should be already dried inside the mold, and after 1 or another 2 hours we pour another layer of clear resin on top of that until all the flowers are covered with the resin, and then it's time to demold it. And after that, if you like, you can use a gold pigment to color the edges, and then after it dries, our beautiful art piece is ready. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any question, ask in the comments.